In this video, I will be showing you how to solve a quadratic function using factoring. This question is number 18 from the 2024 STAR. It says that function g is defined by g of x equals 3x minus 2x minus 5. What are the solutions to g of x equals 0? Since I want the solution to this, I'm going to make this equal to 0. I know when you're solving a linear equation, they tell you to isolate the x's, so a common mistake here is to try and add 5 to both sides. Now you're faced with a situation where you still have two x's on the left side and no way to solve for them. What you actually want to do is rewrite this trinomial as the product of two binomials. That way you can make each portion equal to the 0 and solve for the x within each parentheses, thus giving you the two answers you see in the answer choices. So how do we factor a trinomial? I'm going to write the trinomial here. This trinomial is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. My a is 3, my b is -2, and my c is -5. A is 3, it's not 1. That makes factoring a little more complex. So I'm going to show you a trick. The trick is to multiply a times c, 3 times -5, that gives you -15. So when we make our factor table, we want to factor -15, not -5. First column has my factors. I'm going to list every possible factor pair that can give me a -15. All of these numbers, when multiplied together, give me -15. Instead of actually multiplying these out, I want to find the sum. I'm going to add each pair. So for example, 1 plus -15 is going to give me -14. I'm going to do that for each row of the table. Now I see that my b term is -2 and I have a -2 here. That means that this row of the table is going to be used to make my answer. One factor is 3 and my other factor is -5. So x plus 3, x minus 5. This is not the final answer though, because remember in the beginning we multiplied c by 3. So to undo that, I'm going to have to divide my answers by 3. 3 goes into 3 one time, so I can simplify this down to x plus 1. But right here, 3 does not go into -5. So when that happens, what you do is you just put the 3 in front of the x. 3x minus 5. And all of this equals 0. Now we get down to the part where we can actually start solving this. I'm going to break this into two different equations and make both parts equal to 0. And now I can just solve both of these for x using inverse operations. So my two answers are x equals -1 and x equals +5/3. So my answer is B. That's the same answer I got in my other video where I solved this using Desmos. This is just how you do it by hand. If you want to see the other video of how to do this using Desmos, leave a comment below and I'll tag you in the other video. Otherwise, if you like this video, make sure you like it, favorite it, and follow for more. See you guys next time.